Hey everyone, today we are unboxing a liquid cooler coming from Cooler Master, that is Cooler Master ML360 Atmos. This is a budget cooler for high-end CPUs such as Intel i7, i9 and AMD 7800X3D and 7950X3D. So let's begin the show. After removing the bubble wrap, here we have another cardboard packaging for extra safety. No doubt the packaging is so good from MD Computers. I have bought this cooler from MD Computers, which is 100% recommended from my side if you are planning to purchase any electronic item or computer parts. Here we have our main unit along with the physical invoice. In order to get the soft copy of the invoice, you can contact them over email or the WhatsApp number. They will instantly share the invoice with you. Coming back to the main product, this is totally covered with cellophane sheet and packaging feels so premium for how much we are paying for this liquid cooler. Let's remove the cellophane sheet with a professional knife. So this is how it looks from inside. We have three compartments on the right side, which includes all the accessories. This is an accessories box as it's written on the box itself. Let's put this box aside. This box is for Intel processors as it's written on the box itself. Next we have box for AMD socket which will be suitable for AMD processors. So here we have our main cooler. Let's take out this cooler from the box. The good thing about this cooler is that the fans are already pre-installed, so we don't have to spend time in fixing these fans to our radiator. Now let's open these boxes and see what's inside. Inside the accessories box, we have this card from Cooler Master, which you can scan to get the manual for this product. This looks like ARGB controller, which will connect all our fans installed on the radiator. Let's open this pouch. Here we have two-way splitter cable. We also got a thermal paste from Cooler Master itself. Good job Cooler Master for providing this thermal paste in the box itself. This box contains all the things which you will need to install Intel processors up to i9-14900K, and it is suitable for LGA 1700, 1200 and 15X supportable motherboards. In this box, we have all the things you will need to install AMD processors for both AM4 and AM5 platforms. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing, and if you have any doubt regarding this product, feel free to contact me over my Discord server. Link is in the description for my Discord server. Thank you for watching.